Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video, we're gonna remove water spot on the windshield. Basically, you can apply this method on any glass on your car for removing water spot and also preventing from happening again. If it's a light water spot, you can use 50% of vinegar and water, but keeping it away from paint. They can easily remove the paint wax. So I'll be using regular rubbing compound for removing the water spot. You can use polishing compound as well. I had good result with that too. And then protect the glass with wax. It will also help with water repellent. Pad or applicator pad. Both can be applied by hand or machine. Tape for masking plastic trim and paint. Regular glass cleaner and few microfiber towels. Some brands making products specifically for water spot removing, but paint, polishing and rubbing compound working as well. Masking the paint and the plastic trim around the glass keep them clean, and most important, preventing from the pad. Sharp edges clear coat can be removed just by holding for too long if you're using machine. I'm gonna start with using glass cleaner to have better visual of what we're working on. I also put the masking tape in the middle so we can see the difference after cleaning and protecting. I will be using machine. It's much faster and will have even coverage. I always like to put 5 dots like this for each side of windshield, separating on the glass, and start with a low speed. Removing water is much easier than polishing paint, so no need to push it hard, just overlap 50% and let the polish do its job. To make sure that I haven't missed any spot, I will do one pass horizontally and one vertically. Okay, after 2 passes, wiping off the compound residue and checking if you have any water spot left. You will get a result like this with one stage polishing. If you don't have a machine, you can polish by hand as well. I like to fold a microfiber towel like this and apply polishing compound, like I did with the machine. 2 passes horizontally and vertically. Next, I like to apply wax to protect the glass and also helps with water repellent. Just apply wax in circular motion and wipe it off when it's dry. Okay, we are done. The glass is water spot free and protected. And here's the before cleaning. And here is some before and after videos how water spot stays on unpolished and unprotected side. And that's the result you will get by using regular paint polish or a compound. It's a good idea to use windshield fluid. I have a video about that, how to make your own windshield fluid at home. I will put the video in the description box below and YouTube card if you wanna check it out. And that was an easy way to make your glass clear like new. If the video was helpful and gave you some information, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.